Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is a scorcher. Today is the 26th of June and I've just been paid and I've just had my Sainsburys food delivered, and I'm going to show you, like I do pretty much every month, what I picked up this month. I literally want to stick my head in the freezer, it's so hot today. So this month my Sainsbury's order came to a grand total of £122.97. There was a couple of things missing, so I asked for some Mediterranean like pre-done veg, that didn't arrive, some spinach, that didn't arrive, and some Kievs, and they didn't arrive either, so I will have to pick up some of those bits. But yeah, I'm just going to show you the rest of what I got. Okay, so first of all, we've got some basic chocolate, always handy to stick in the fridge for those emergency snack moments, along with some basics milk chocolate digestive biscuits. Got some mega snack pack, 20 bags of crisps. You get squares, Doritos and Wotsits, and they're only £3, so they're a bargain. Some basic crunchy peanut butter, yum yum yum. Spinach ricotta tortellini, really nice with salad as a main or a side. Some ketchup, and it's football themed this month. Whoop whoop. And that was on offer, that was only £2. I got a big box of whole grain fruit and fibre because I've been eating loads of like junky cereal recently and I thought I needed something a bit more healthy. Some tuna, a Bento's chicken pie, and some garlic bread. Okay, so I've got some smoked gammon steaks. They're really nice with like chips and egg. Some vegetable samosas, yum 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 yum. 2 packs of Butcher's Value smoked bacon. I like to chop this up and put it in like with rice and mushrooms and all that sort of thing. Some Lincolnshire pork sausages. I normally get the apple ones, but they didn't have them in stock, which is really annoying. Bird's eye potato waffles. Then we have some chicken dippers. Some seasoned curly fries. I've never had these ones before. Some stir-fried vegetables and some lightly spiced wedges. I then got 2 of the bird's eye chicken breasts for the char grilled chicken because they were on offer. Some quarter pounder with cheeses. Some crispy chickens, only 4 this month. Normally I get 8, but I've got some left over, which is quite nice. I've got some flake ice creams because it is so hot, I needed some ice cream. And then they have redone all their pizzas. So last month I said that the packaging was going to change because they pulled them all off. I was correct. Yes, we've got the meat feast. And that's a deep pan, so that's what the deep pan ones look like, and that is the thin and crispy. They do a single and a double pepperoni. The single's only £1 and the double is £1.30, and I think the deep pan meat feast was £1.30 as well, so that I thought was quite good value. I then got some of the chicken korma with rice. I've been adding my own like basil and tomatoes in with this, and it's just really nice, really yummy and really convenient and quick. Then I've got some ham and mushroom tortellini, some beef lasagnas, and some spaghetti carbonaras. They're just nice, quick, easy meals for on the go. I accidentally ordered 2 lots of mushrooms, so I've got some closed cup and some button baby mushrooms. So both of them have got quite short shelf lives, so 1st of July and 30th. Along with the bacon as well. The bacon's only the 2nd of July. Normally you get longer, so that's a bit annoying. So I'm just going to have to be a bit creative. Also got some sugar snaps, onion, garlic, Got some courgettes. These are actually cheaper than the ones at Tesco's. These were only £1. Tesco's ones I think £1.60, so I thought that was really good value. Cabbage and leek, and then 3 peppers. So that's the mixed peppers. I got a iceberg lettuce, some jacket potatoes. I got a huge amount of rice because, yeah, I just kind of got a bit carried away and accidentally pressed the button twice. I think I was meant to order 4 and I've ended up ordering 8 or something. But that's, yeah, basmati rice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I think I ordered 5 and ended up with, with 10. Oh well. I got some Dreamies for Ziggy. I got some raspberries. These were really cheap. They're only like £1.60, so I think they're on offer at the moment. Along with the Scottish strawberries, they were only I think £1.40, so they were good value. I got some antibacterial wipes because they are always really handy. Some paracetamol, some 2-in-1 bio laundry detergent, and some Lenore Pure Jasmine fabric conditioner. This is actually my favourite fabric conditioner. I really like it, but normally it's not on offer, so it was very good. Cherry Blossom Red Petal washing liquid. I got some, can't believe it's not butter because I've run out. Some squishies, love squishies. Actimel, that was on offer this month. I think that was only £2, so I thought I'd get some of those. Some Red Label tea bags. Then I got my Nescafe vanilla lattes because they're really nice and cheaper than buying coffee at work. And then 2 blocks of basic cheese, some semi-skim milk, and some pesto. Now sadly the pesto has leaked, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that, whether I'm going to eat it straight away or just bin it. Oh, I got some eggs as well. There's some eggs up there. Yeah. So that is everything I got for £120. So guys, that is everything from me for another month for my Sainsburys food haul. Obviously I've got a few little bits that I still need to pick up, and I'll probably be buying a few little salady bits throughout the month. I just don't want to get too much all at once. Yeah, and I've ended up with a few things that I didn't really plan on getting, but you know, these things happen. So yeah, I'm gonna go and put all this away now and eat some very yummy looking raspberries because I'm a bit addicted to them at the moment. Very naughty, I know, but really good and nice and yummy and just lovely. Yeah. Oh, they're a bit sharp. But that's everything from me. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and check out my giveaway. I've got a 2K giveaway on my channel. I will link it above, and I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye bye.